attention. My life depends on you. 1 minute you are alone, the next minute Faceless is driving you. And you're reading your dua every second.
I've driven a bike, but I've never driven a bike with someone who's been blessed with curves in race.
Someone that's blessed is in the back. Hello guys, welcome back. Another day, another city, another country. Oh my goodness, I just love saying that when I'm in a new country. I am in, where are we? Where are we?
We are in Bali, Indonesia.
Wow, Indonesia. Guys, before I start talking, let me just show you my little view over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is the villa. This is the pool right here, you know, P-O-O-L. But anyways, I have a Grab waiting for me. I will give you a tour once I come back and the house is nicely undone and clean. You know what I mean? What are you saying? You ready?
Yeah, my Grab's not here, so I gotta wait.
Guys, since I've been with this girl, she's got me in a vacay mode rather than a travel mode.
You can't always be working and travel. Like, do you know what I mean? Sometimes just wake up and have a swim in the pool. You know?
All right. But we still gotta make money, you know.
Of course, money have to make. That's true.
But anyways, today is first day, so right now we're gonna go get some breakfast, and then afterwards we're gonna explore. Honestly, we have
get a bike,
plans, right?
Get a bike.
We don't really have a plan.
There's no plan. There doesn't have to be a plan.
All right.
Sometimes no plan is the plan.
All right, let me go.
Mine's outside of here.
Let's go. I love taking bikes every time I travel. We've made it to the restaurant. So, are you gonna get lunch or breakfast? I'm gonna get breakfast.
I'm gonna see what they have. Anything good? Since you're getting French toast, I'll try some good.
Alright. Now, that is a big French toast.
I am loving my life.
Are you gonna finish this? Already. Guys, we just ate and now we are welcomed by this gentleman. Let's see. Are you gonna give me a tourist price or are you gonna give me
I give best price.
a good price?
Yeah, good.
Let's see. How many things packages?
We have
Nusa Penida.
yeah, we have this base trip. We have this snorkeling. We have this special packet. How many people?
2 people.
You do snorkeling? You want snorkeling? Snorkeling?
I don't like snorkeling.
You can just base trip. Linking, Broken, Crystal, and Angel Billabong for you.
And how much per person?
1,350.
Oh my god.
No, I'll give best price. How much budget? How much?
We are broke students.
Yes. How much price?
We are broke students.
Broke student. How much price? How much price?
We are on a budget.
How budget? A full day lunch include.
What time does it start?
Pick up morning 6:30 until 7.
Okay, this guy, he wants to take $80 per person and I'm trying to get $50 for 2 people. But listen, he wants to do 100 for 2 people.
100?
Yeah.
What's 100?
1,600,000. 1,600,000. So it's a win-win.
1 million.
Okay, maybe I'll add 10. 60 for 2 people. This is a group, by the way. And we're not swimming. You know? 1 minute.
1 second, 1 second.
We need a bike, but we need money.
2014.
How much is that? You ready?
I got
Oh, you got. Okay, facelift. We have pay attention. My life depends on you.
Try and hit up the club.
Huh?
Try and hit the club later.
Oh my goodness.
Look at it. Look. Let's go.
1 minute you are alone, the next minute faceless is driving you. And you're reading your dua every second.
Let's try it. Driven a bike, but I've never driven a bike with someone who's been blessed with
Okay.
curves and race.
Someone that's blessed is in the back.
Right, so obviously her weight on the bike makes a big difference. So I'm having to get used to that. You know what I mean? I'm used to just carrying my weight.
I need to learn how to bike so I can be on my own.
And as you can see, to turn, you turn with your.
Maroko.
Morocco. Yeah, Morocco.
Maroko. Hindi petrol petrol dito.
Full.
Full.
Ah, shopping.
Sandal, handbag, pump bag, Prada
See
bag,
if
Chloe.
Oh, I'm not in the mood. Can
How do you feel?
I feel fine. I just feel like being swarmed.
Can you believe this? Did he just said 10,000 to park on a free street. Thank you for driving me even though I was so nervous.
No, don't be nervous.
Oh my
You're
god.
alright.
Wallahi, I was so nervous because we almost fell.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, but it's because she got on the
Look,
bike.
there's a
No, it's the same.
no, it's not.
It is.
1,000. Oh, actually,
It's less.
that guy is better. Exploring the flea market. La.
لا حول ولا قوة
Illa billah. Okay. Wow, wow. 209. 150? 150?
Plastic bag?
Again, today is just like a chill day. Just trying to see what Bali is about. Where?
For the gel color.
No color, just
Cleaning. 90,000 coming.
90.
Yeah, cheaper. This one 90,000. For hand only 80,000.
Do your math thing, see?
What, 90?
Yes.
Yo, they even have, you do hair braid?
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Get it?
I like it. Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
How's the price? What is the price?
You can get it lower.
Tip of both hand
You
and
can get
feet.
90 though.
Yes.
Okay. He's funny.
What's it gonna be?
So you just want a pedicure, right? For me, I'm just gonna get manicure.
Pedicure only 150.
152 people?
One people ya darling.
That's expensive. I am a student. Sister from another mother.
Yes, sister from other mother.
Yeah. Your
Other one sister.
my mother African, your mother Bali.
Bali.
Yeah. Okay. We did pedicure, manicure. How do you feel?
Good.
All that dusting is out of your feet. All that. All
Tomorrow.
Oh, they're doing more. Sure. You wanna look?
Good price.
You wanna look at it? Hold on.
Hey, check it
Let me see.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm alright. What do you got? Sunrise?
Yeah, we got a sunrise. and
What
then
else you got?
We got a for
Nusa
Penida.
Penida.
Yeah.
How much is it per person?
per person. It depend which package you guys wanna take it. We have like island tours, and also we have snorkeling tours.
No snorkeling.
Okay, just for island tours. So island tours consists of 2, west and east.
My bad, shorty.
The flea market. I want to learn how to
Read Balinese.
no the scooters, so I don't have to depend on you. Ooh, this is my vibe. This is my vibe. Looks like she got skirts though. Watch the price go up.
You have no fun.
There is not much to do here.
It's a party island mainly.
Huh?
It's a party island.
No, it's more like beach, food, sleep.
Yeah, beach, food, drink, ride, sleep. We're just leaving the flea market.
Look, all these.
Um,
You don't care, we can ask. Oh. Faceless, what are you doing?
oh, nothing. Just counting my newly acquired riches. Today I became the first millionaire in my family, alhamdulillah.
Wow.
All praise due to the Most High. You know, London is tough, it's difficult, but when you're
How
out
much
here,
is that?
what this
Yeah,
million?
in pounds.
100 GBP will get you a million Indonesian rupiah. So listen, you're feeling broke and the pockets feel tight. Bring those pounds here, inshallah. Life will become a lot more comfortable, a lot more easy.
Hey.
Anyway, sorry, busy.
Okay, guys, we just got back to the villa. Obviously, this morning I didn't give you a proper tour. All we did was just walk around, eat food, just get a feel of Bali. And I'll tell you one thing I don't like. One thing I don't like is the roads are bad and there's so much people and traffic. So that's the only negative part. Everybody else, I mean, and you need to know how to bargain because they will slaughter you. Anyways, long story short, this is the villa. Actually, why don't I show you guys the main entrance? You know, maybe you guys might like to stay in this villa one day. This cat wants to keep coming into that villa, but I just love how you just walk and then boom. Hello, villa. Faceless is over there, relaxing.
Tired.
She's tired.
Designated driver is tired.
She's not used to driving, so this is the pool. I love it, and this is a nice chill spot. It has a fridge here, microwave if you want to heat some things, cook if you want to cook. This is the room. Let me turn the lights on. It's a nice big bed, and then voila, you got a nice TV. You can watch Netflix. One thing I love is you can just open this. Sorry. You can walk to the pool, basically. You know? Alright, the cool thing also is after the bed, this is another spot, bathroom. You can still walk to the pool, you know? You can have your little tub here, the pool there. This is your face wash area. This is the shower area. And this is the So I like that it's separate. Separate. Cool. Okay. I think this is so cool. What do you guys think? How much was this place again?
A night it was, I think it's usually around £60 or so, but I think I got it for like 49
pounds. 50 pounds, let's just say.
£50 a night. So
that's like
£100 for 2
65 US dollars per
yeah.
night.
But then obviously if you think about it, if there's like two of you, you're splitting
You
it,
just
it's not
split
that
it.
bad.
Yeah.
It's very reasonable, and you can get villas for cheaper that are
Right.
of a similar size, but probably just will have problems with it. And stuff. But, yeah.
She don't like
I'm a little bit.
she's a clean freak and she don't like to see any like animals that move around.
No, I can appreciate the animals because I'm in their space, but the animals that I don't like are cockroaches. Ants. I've seen so many ants here.
Yeah.
But this is their home. How dare I? You know? Cockroaches, rats, cockroaches. I hate cockroaches.
She hates them. I mean, I hate them too, but obviously she can't stand them. That's the difference. But anyways, what do you guys think? 50 pounds a night. I think that's $65 or $70. If you're two people, you just split it. So it's like 30-30, you know? It's pretty good.